to my channel. I'm Tatiana Money, and thank y'all for tuning in to today's video. Yes, we're back with another motherfucking hair video. I know y'all probably like, what? Yes, your girl did her hair again, and I changed it up again as usual. Y'all know I love to change it up. I want to give a huge shout out to WorldNewHair for sending me this bomb behind wig, y'all. Oh my gosh, this is a 13x4 lace frontal wig. It is 26 inches, y'all, and it's 180% density. And I'm so freaking in love with this hair, y'all. Oh my god, I'm so in love with the install. Like, I feel like I did a good ass fucking job, okay? Period. I feel like I did a very great job. So you know I gotta show y'all exactly how I did this, so keep watching this video. Also, everything about WorldNewHair is going to be in the description down below, so make sure y'all go check them out. Before we get to far into this video, make sure y'all like this video, subscribe to my channel, hit that post notification bell, and spam in the comments down below and let me know exactly how I did. I know I'm not a hairstylist, y'all. I am not a hairstylist, but I do feel like I'm getting better every single day. Every time I touch my scalp, I feel like I see so much improvement, y'all, especially with the baby hairs. I used to suck at baby hairs, y'all, but I'm getting so much better with the baby hairs. So yes, let's go ahead and let's get straight into this install. So to all my loves out there who watch me and know my routine, when I do get my hair really laid, I use my Keurig hair wax stick and I get it as flat as possible. You guys, y'all, look at this. I didn't even pluck the part yet and it's already looking good. Like, it's already looking good. Excuse me, y'all, that's my baby, but yes, it's already looking so freaking good. I haven't even plucked the part. Like, get into it. Normally I over bleach, but I did not over bleach. As y'all can see, it looks freaking amazing. The more I do it, the better I get, okay, period. So I'm just gonna go through my hair with this Keurig wax stick and get it as flat as possible, y'all. So let's go ahead and jump back into it. So do y'all see what I mean by flat? So look at this side right here compared to this side right here, y'all. This side is just so freaking flat. So I'm just gonna do the same thing I did over here, y'all. So we'll be back. Okay, y'all, look at how flat it is. Get into it, and I still did not pluck the part. I honestly don't even think this part needs to be plucked, y'all. It just looks so freaking natural. So I just want to show y'all how flat that thing gonna look. Okay, pretty. Y'all, we're gonna straighten this thing. We're gonna straighten it because I want that bone straight, you know. Bone straight gives baddie. And then we can curl it next time. Let's see how well it's flattened. Okay. Okay. Yeah, okay, y'all. So I'm gonna put this down so y'all can actually see it. Hold on. Straight hair just make me want to say, bitch, don't play with me, okay? Period. Giving a fatty, yaddy, 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 yaddy. Look at it, y'all. Look. Okay. Yeah. All right, y'all. We finna finish flattening this bad thing out. Okay. Period. Flatten it bone straight, and I still have not touched my part yet. Honestly, y'all, I don't think I'm going to touch it because it just looks perfect. I'll probably put some concealer on it, y'all, but I don't think I'm going to actually like pluck it because it look like it don't need no plucking. But let's see how my baby hair is looking. All right, y'all, we are done. This is the finished results. I have to get up and show y'all exactly how is it looking. Get into the baby hairs. Okay, period. Okay, period. Girls getting better every day. I might go ahead and put a couple like baby hairs right here just because I feel like, oh, I just feel like that's what I should do, y'all. But that's it for today's video. Everything about this hair company will be in the description down below, so make sure y'all go check them out. Y'all, get into this wig, y'all. The lace blended in with my skin so freaking well. Like, honestly, what lace? Okay, what Oh, okay, period. So your girl's getting better and better at this. Make sure I go check them out. That's it for today's video. Thank you guys for tuning in. Mwah. Love y'all. Bye.